Hi, so test 6. I'll go through this quickly because most of you did it quite well. So some problems here. No, here you need an adjective, and here a noun, and I think in most cases perhaps you made and here you need an adjective. Perhaps you made a little mistake, but I mean with there, or a mistake that you didn't know the word, but at least you got the part of speech well, I think, in general. So the answers in 3, 2, 1. Try to correct them before you look at them. Okay. So creative, the adjective, success, double C, double S. Sorry, successful. But listen, you have double C, double S, but you have here double C, double S. If I had put succeed, I understand that you can get confused because you have double E. But listen, from success, successful anyway. So cultural, ambitious. Notice the T, ambitious. But we've seen this recently. Approval. This is in the final test for this book. Approval. Okay, from approval, and disapproval. I saw this in a reading yesterday. I don't know if it was with you. No, it was with a different group. But notice approval. Therapeutic. A therapist. In the final exam, you have this one. Therapist. In case you're interested. Therapist is the person. Therapeutic is something. It's not therapeutical. I know this is difficult. Sometimes it's cal, like economical. Sometimes it's economic. Okay, with some words you can have both. Difficult. So promote is the verb. Belief. Notice the noun is belief. The plural beliefs. But I've told you this. When this appears, for example, these are things that I point out whenever they appear. And hopeful, 1L. Okay, you are hopeful that people will like it. So you have to be hopeful. Well, next one, no problem. Someone made a mistake, but listen. The cast were plural. Okay, so the cast. The only thing you can write here. I mean, all the actors gave, so you can say the blockbusters. Okay, and I don't think you had many problems here. Now you had problems here, which I understand. On Monday, it's an arrangement. This time this year, something will be happening. Think with opinion is will. I think so, and this is a prediction based on your opinion. That's why you have will here. This is, do you think? Again, this time this year, something will be in progress. Okay, so let's look at this. Listen, I highlighted that. What will you be doing? Something will be happening at that time. This time next year, something will be in progress. Will be doing. I'm flying. It's an arrangement. I'm going to fly is your intention. No, but to spend a year at university there, you've made lots of arrangements. So ing. Do you think? Prediction. Based on your opinion, do you think you will enjoy it? So again, the same, and you had it here. Okay, so will you have a chance? Again, I will be traveling. That will be in progress. Okay, now next. As soon as, with this, I emphasize this, but perhaps if you don't listen to the videos, I can emphasize things 1,000 times, but it won't help you. Okay, so as soon as goes plus present simple, and if it's present simple, okay. You're offering to do something. Again, when with present simple. By the time. So with this, normally use future perfect. Okay, something will complete. By the time you get back, all these things, 1, 2, 3, will have already happened. Again, you're planning. I gave us correct another one, but should be, okay, present continuous, because it's an arrangement. It could be your intention. Okay, and here you are offering to do something. I don't try to correct them with information I've given you, please. Otherwise, some of you got 3 correct out of 15, so it means you can't use the future. You don't know how to use it. As simple as that. Okay. So when the cause finishes, notice cause, you need the S. With this use present, this is like a conditional. I'll do it when this happens. Okay. I'll organize. You are offering to do something, and then what I told you, completed actions. Here you can use lent. Ed or lent with the T. Okay, both are correct. Visited doesn't double the T because visited. It needs to be consonant, vowel, consonant, and stressed. That's why open doesn't double the N. Okay. What time are you leaving? You've made arrangements. You know when you are leaving on Monday if you're catching a train or a plane or whatever. Okay. So when are you leaving? It's okay. What time are you going to leave? I give that as correct. What time will you be leaving? I give that as correct. And I'll give you. Okay, I'm offering to something in the future. And here I'll just give you the answers. I mean, this is okay. You may want to write down what they mean because You don't seem to have understood this yet. Get round to doing something. Okay, so you have to write an extra sentence for each of your mistakes. Okay, and make sure you record everything, which is a good way. So on Monday when you come to class, I want you to give me the record of mistakes. Remember, you need to write down test 6, test 3, page 65. So I want you to record all your mistakes. So this is part 3. This is nothing. This is nothing. But apart from that, then you write an extra sentence for each of these. And this is part 2. Okay. And apart from that, you write an extra sentence. So get round to ing. Be careful. Find the time to do something. Get into, become interested in. Get right or wrong. I think everyone got it well. Cut down on. Reduce the number of something. Okay. Cut down on how much exercise you do, how much or how many hours you spend watching television, etc. Get on with. Okay. I don't get on with anyone. You've just seen this in the reading, I think. Get on. Get over it. Okay. Superalo. Get over it. So this is to have a good relationship. Get through is like complete something. I have so much work to get through that I don't have time to do exercise. Get away with Med, I told you, was a series, and I wrote the same one. Anyway, it's not to be punished for something wrong. So some of you are trying to get away with not doing your homework, but since you are coming here once a week, then I can make you stay, and so you can't really get away with not doing your homework. Okay, get through to someone is connect. Find a connection. Okay, llegarle a alguien, conectar con alguien, and it gets you down, gets you depressed. So again, part 2. The first one was part 3, and an extra sentence for all of them. So Monday you can give me the exam and I can check if you've done it properly and record your mistakes. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.